So everyone, it's me Mehak Bhardwaj and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As it is from the title that this video is about, it's you who attract everything in your life. Yep, it's you who just attract everything in your life. Yep. So let's start this with a very good story. Last year, I had a conversation with one of my aunt, and we both are talking about marriages, divorce, and that how some relationship just fail. So I talked with her and I just said this to her that, oh, that's why some people get divorced very early. So she'll be like, but you do not have to think this way with your relationship. Like, never. I was like, why you are saying this thing to me when you are experiencing the same stuff? Like, not the proper divorce, but definitely not having good relationship with his partner. So she just said to me like very in a very random way that you do not have to think bad about yourself. And I was like, why you are saying this to me? So I then again said to her that why you are saying this to me when you are explaining the same thing, when you are explaining the same thing. So she was like, yeah, whatever it is, but you never have to think bad about yourself, about any part of your life, like about your relationship, about your family, about your friends, about your life, about your health, about your pet, about whomever you love the most in your life. All right. So I was like, okay, this is a very pretty good advice to get from her that time last year. And then the second story is it's from my professor, one of my favorite professor. So it's a very random day, and we having a conversation about mental health in our lecture that time. So a random student just said to her that, ma'am, can you please just tell me what just I have to do if I am feeling bad about something, and if I have any negative feeling with something. So my professor just said this that ये जो हमारा मन होता है मन वो हमें एक नेगेटिव साइड पे लेके जाता है बट इट्स ऑन अस कि हम क्या चूज कर रहे हैं उसके बाद भी तो अगर आपका मन आप कॉन्टिन्यूसली कह रहा है कि इट्स टाइम टू गो बैक इट्स टाइम टू गो बैक बट you know it's right for you just look forward. Yep. So that's how the conversation went and I was like, this is pretty good advice from a professor. So from this you just have to understand this, it's you who is the who are suffering from anything in your life right now. Whatever the suffering you have, it's just because of you. Whatever the complaints you are holding with you, it's just because of you. Yes, it's you who just manifested. It's just you who's thinking that way. Okay, you cannot blame other people, cannot blame a circumstance. Like, no. You just have to know this. It's you who's thinking a lot. Yep. So whenever you have negative thoughts about something, what you have to do, what you have to do. Step one, you just have to sit with yourself very calmly, very nicely, very peacefully. Like just sit in a room silently without your phone. First of all, without your phone, no humans, nothing around you, just you, a pen, and paper. That's it. You know what? It's a very nice theory that a human cannot sit with themselves even just for 10 minutes. Yep. That's a very biggest story. And when I tried this, when I tried to sit with my own self, I just like, oh, that's so true. Because there's a lot of thoughts in my mind. I just started overthinking. I just started thinking about a lot of stuff, negative feeling. I mean, oh, I'm just so stressed after that. So that's a very big theory that humans are not able to even sit with themselves just for 10 minutes alone. Like, yeah. So it's really important to you just have to sit with yourself in a room with just pen and paper and then write down everything. Just everything, just every negative thoughts, even just that one slightest thought, just one slightest thought, just that gives you more anxiety and that one thought, that just one fear and the one complaint, the one blame you want to put on someone else, like everything. Okay. And then after that, when you write down everything, the step two, you just have to look at it, whatever you just write all by yourself. Just have to look and just think about it. That what is the possibility that these things will done with me in my life? If something happened with you in your past, let it be. Yep, it's really important to let it be the things from your past, because now it's time to focus in present and it's time to focus on future. Yep. So just let it be. So when you just let it be your past and when you start focusing on present, then you actually improve your future. Yep. You cannot change your future by worrying in present. You can focus on your future just after accepting everything in reality in today's time. Yeah. So first sit with yourself, write down everything, every fear, every possible thing that has made you feel bad about us. Alright. Second thing you have to done that you just have to say to yourself that is this thing matter to me? Is this thing matter to me? If your answer is clear yes, then please ask yourself again a question that how can I solve this and how can I deal with this? Otherwise, if your answer is no, please respect the death. Please respect the decision. Please remove that thing from that list. Yeah. When you know this, when you clearly know this, that you cannot do anything with that stuff, why are you stressing over that stuff? Why? When you are so much clear with this, why? Answer me. Stop giving yourself so much stress, okay? Yep. Then the third step is, even if you're not able to do anything after all of these activities, again, take a pen and paper, sit with yourself very calmly, very nicely in a room without any phone, without any human being, just you and your thoughts. That's it. Start writing a letter. Yep. It's really important to write a letter. Write a letter. Write down every possible thing you wanted to say someone else. It's just like that you're having a conversation with someone through your letters. All right. Just write down everything, like dear, whatever the name you want to write, right? And then start writing it. Like every detail you want to say someone. Write down, like write 10 pages, 100 pages, even maybe a book. Right. And then after that, close that letter, close that book, and put it in a drawer and never look back. Never. And then after like maybe 1 month, 2 months, or maybe if possible, then 1 year. After 1 year, just open that drawer and then open that letter, open that book, and you just have to look at it and be like, oh, it's a very small thing. Why I just worried about so much this, that. Yeah. It's a very great activity. I have also done this all by myself. That's my personal experience I'm sharing with you. So it's really important that you have to done this with yourself if you're having a lot of negative thoughts in your mind. Yeah. It's a very nice and small activity that will help you to overcome from your negative thoughts. And you know what? You just have to understand this one thing: your thoughts, your feelings, your emotion will too pass. Yeah. But you just have to understand this, that you have a lot of work to do. You have a lot of things to do. You have a lot of hobbies. You have a lot of projects. You have everything. You have a life to live. So please live. It's okay if you're feeling bad. You know what? We humans, what we do, what we done with ourselves. We just think this way that if we are feeling, we never say I'm feeling sad. We say I am sad. No, my love, you're not sad. You are just feeling sad. All right. You are not sad. Yeah, you are not upset. You're feeling upset. We just mispronounce our feelings and our just permanent emotions and our temporary emotions. Yes, there's a lot of difference between permanent emotions and temporary emotions. So do not let these temporary emotions affect you a lot. You're just feeling sad. You're just feeling upset. You're just feeling anxiety. You're just feeling anxious. You're just feeling not good. You are not that thing. You're not sad. You're not anxious. You're not do not have a lot of social anxiety. Yeah. Even if you have, it's okay. You have to deal with it. Yeah. So yeah, that's a very small video about like it's you who's just attracting everything in your life all by yourself. You cannot blame, you cannot complain to other people's, and you cannot be like, oh, just because of you I'm like this. Even if you are like that, so it's okay. It's okay. It's you who can change yourself, no one else. Nobody will come to save you into your life. Not even God. You know what? God even want to save themselves who know how to save their own selves. Okay. So it's really time to understand is that nobody will come to save you. It's really time to take stand for yourself. It's really time to now understand whatever you're feeling, whatever the emotions you're having right now. And just have to understand this that it should do pass. Yep. So yeah, that's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, comment down. You can DM me on my Instagram. I will reply you definitely there. So thank you so much. I will see you next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day to all of you.